Western Technical College has had the privilege of obtaining the TAACCCT Advanced Wisconsin Manufacturing Grant, which has allowed us to develop the Manufacturing Systems Maintenance Technician Program, MSMT. The MSMT program has 3 distinct career pathways embedded in it: welding, machining, and IEM. A student may enter the program through any of these 1- and 2-term technical diplomas. Another pathway into the program would be through credit for prior learning. The program has changed our process for experiential learning, challenge exams, competency exams, and review for military transcripts. We have been involved with open houses, career fairs, collaboration with our community partners as well as employers, and we were able to hire an adult learning specialist for credit for prior learning. This has really changed the momentum of CPL at Western.
I came to Western because I was in a dead-end job and I needed technical skills to improve my quality of life and to gain the skills that I needed to start a new career. Initially, when I went into the program, I was undecided on what I wanted to do as a career. Through the pathways, I found out that I really like to machine things, and being in the MSMT program, doing the basic machining allowed me to find that out, and also to transition into the machine tool program. I sought credit for prior learning because of the machining internship when I went into the machine tool operation program. The skills that I learned as an intern allowed me to have advanced standing in that program. I was able to get credit for prior learning for mill setup, basic mill programming, and also for lathe setup. In completing my portfolio, I realized that in the job market, I have many skills that directly translate to courses that are in programs. I could turn that work experience into college credit and advanced standing in a program. If you're unsure whether or not your work experience can be used to generate credit for prior learning, ask. I will be graduating from the MSMT program in April. Along with the MSMT diploma, I'm also going into the machine tool operation program and will be graduating from that in August.
I had the pleasure of reviewing Matt's portfolio related to the machine tool aspect, and his experience at his work allows me to check off his competencies that he is capable of covering most everything covered in this course, which gives him a leg up and a quick run through this program. I think the community can greatly benefit from people going through this system in advancing their personal educational levels, building up their status so that the area can continue to grow and companies can excel and have good employees. I think Train is a local company that would be an excellent example of a company that could take advantage of this and send some of their people through the system and advance their skills as well. I think this creates a great opportunity for people that are in the industry that want to continue their education and come back and get credit for their experiences in work and in life without necessarily changing everything they do in order to get through school. Going to school and working full-time is a very daunting task. This creates an opportunity to make that much less challenging.
The TAACCCT grant dollars allowed Western Technical College to really bring awareness to campus, to our students, to our faculty. In particular with the MSMT program, I've had students bring in credit a number of ways, whether it's a transfer of credit from other institutions or universities, whether it's challenge exams that they've taken. I even just this semester had a student develop a portfolio for 2 courses, CNC production milling and CNC production lathe. So it's really given them that jump start in their program. The grant dollars also afforded some of our staff to attend a conference and do some professional development activities, which just enhances our skills and our knowledge so that we're able to help our students. 2 dates in September, we were able to work with about 25 students in our MSMT program, earn credit through credit for prior learning. And it's just eventually going to continue to grow.
Stakeholder collaboration, student engagement, and streamlined processes for military credit for prior learning has been an attained result of TAACCCT 2. The impact of TAACCCT 2 was that it provided a springboard to advance military CPL at Western. We were able to examine our current military CPL processes, strengthen and improve, and then implement these new practices, which enhanced our ability to evaluate and award credit more efficiently and consistently. In addition, TAACCCT 2 provided support for training in PLA through CALE, which was instrumental in having a better understanding of experiential learning of an adult learner, such as a veteran or service member, but also being able to incorporate the 10 standards of assessing learning in our practice. Quality assurance, striving to maintain the integrity of the standards and principles of learning assessment and credit for prior learning, is achievable and sustainable. Our veteran and military students are awarded credit where credit is due, and TAACCCT 2 accelerated Western's success in establishing those practices, and students feel more confident as they transition into higher education.